Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, early. I've been putting this off, excuse me, and putting this off and procrastinating because of my hand, but I'm going to try to make this Valentine bark for you this morning. We're going to take some Wilton red wafers and some Wilton white wafers. We're going to put them on a cookie tray. Then we're going to put them in the oven at 200 and melt them for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to bring you down. Hopefully you'll stay without falling. Whoops, you almost fell out. Okay. I do have clean hands. We're going to just go like this. Just like this. Make sure they're all out. This will be gifted to my family and friends. And I will show you how I will top it off. I wanted pink, but they didn't have any because I wanted to put pink right in the middle. So hopefully this will work with 2 colors. Okay, we're going to just go like this. Let's spread it out just a little bit. Hope everyone's doing well today. I want to catch church services at 9:30. So I want to get this rocking here. Okay. So now you see it's on a cookie sheet, a full cookie sheet, or a half a cookie sheet, I should say. That will fit in the oven. Oven's at 200. I'm going to bring you back when these are melted, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, it took about, with my oven, it took about 9 minutes. I think they're pretty much melted. I've got a long skew here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm just going to drag it through like this. Just like this. Looks like it could have been melted a little bit more. You can see a little chunky in the red. It could have melted. Maybe once I go through like this, I'll put it in for a few more minutes. But let's see if I can do it. We'll see. With Maniac Grammy, you never know. I think it's working. It's going to be all right, I think. So you want to do this. Just want to get it all, the white and the red, and the red and the white like this. Let me make sure these are melted well. The red didn't melt as well as the white. I don't know why. Maybe one side of my stove is hotter than the other, my oven. I don't know. Let's get a little more red over here. Then I'm going to show you how we're going to top it off. Yeah. I'm going to drag some white over here a little bit. Bring a little bit more white in. Yeah. Hope everyone's doing well. What's everybody doing for Valentine's? It's usually very quiet here. Don't do much of anything. Just another day. I do something for my children, my grown children, my grandchildren. There, I think I'll call this good. That looks fine. There, and if you guys have ever made this, please, yeah, this is fine. If you've ever made this, please leave it down in the description box below. There, just like that. Then we are going to take some M&Ms, and I'm just going to put them here and there and everywhere. Just for now, I'm doing my first go round with these. Excuse me. All right, here comes Miss Maggie. She's been out looking around this morning. Okay. Just kind of push these down a little. Yeah, just like this. Just so when it cools, it will seed in good. Then I got some conversation hearts. How many remember these? You know, these are kind of hard to find. I had a hard time finding them. The Dollar Tree had them in the beginning in little boxes, but I used to find them. Oh, look, there's nothing written on that one, nor that one. But they're kind of hard to find now. Wow, they're not like they used to be back in my day. And we used to find the great big ones. Never saw any this year. Not at all. Hi, Maggie. You want some breakfast? You're gonna have to wait, baby girl. Okay, so we got that. Now we're gonna take some pretzels. Not a lot. Salt was sweet. Thought it tastes pretty good, don't you think? Hi, Miss Mag. Would you like a pretzel? I'll put it down here. Miss Maggie's got a pretzel if she wants one. Miss Maggie, she doesn't like dog food. She likes people food. And if you see the size of her, you'd know why. She's a little chunky. That's okay. I'm a little fluffy too. Why not? She's a little fluffy. Mama's a little fluffy. Whoops. Oh, that one's for me. I'll put one right here. I don't want to go too crazy. Okay. Now, let me look. I think it looks pretty good like that. Who doesn't like M&Ms, huh? I like M&Ms. I love me some M&Ms, but I'm not supposed to eat them, but I love them. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna set this in a cool place and let it harden up. And then you're gonna chunk it up. You're gonna break it up and divvy it out however you'd like. And now, I'm just gonna put, I'm not gonna put any. Now, I'm just gonna do that. Got some pretty pinky sprinkles here. Fester the top with it. Just like this. Then, gonna take these. Take a little bit of these on. I don't know why I put this off for so long. It doesn't take long to take. It's going to take longer to cool off. And there you have it. Oh, that's hot. Valentine's bark, my friend. What do you think? I'm going to let it cool, so don't go too far. I'm going to show you when it's all done. I'm back. It came out great. I'm going to use a pizza cutter because normally you could just pick it up with your hands, but because of my hand, that won't work for me. but I'm also going to show you something I saw. I don't have the, oh, look at me, my shirt's all messed up. I don't have the directions, I just kind of wung it, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to package it because I'm a visual person, but I'm going to bring you down so you can see everything. Okay, here we go. See how great it came out? All set up. See, look at that. Ah, too heavy for me. Oh. Get it with this hand. Look how great that is. Come right off the paper, lickety split. See, most people could break it off. I'm not gonna be able to. So we're gonna set it back down, just like that. Then we're just gonna cut it. Well, maybe I can't. See if I can do it this way. Oh, there we go, like this. Oh, I might have to have help doing this. I'm not sure. Look how nice this is coming out. Just like this. There. Okay, now I want to show you. You get the legits of it. You just do it with your hand. It's very hard for me. Okay. Now, I went to the Dollar Tree. I bought the biggest doilies. They're 10 inches. You get 16 in a package. They had red and pink. Okay, they're like this. You put it down. Let me put it down like this. Put it like this. You go in on this side, and you go in and you meet, just like that. Can you see that? Then you go up here. Anywhere you want to fold it. I chose to fold mine right there. Okay? Anything you want to do to close it with. I'm going to close mine with a pink heart. You can use tape or whatever you want. But this is the way I'm going to do mine. I'm just showing you real quick here. See? And it makes a pocket. And that's the front of it. Love. Then you take this, and if you want, you can put some tissue or something in there. And then you take your candy like this. Oops. I didn't have time to set it all up yet. Take your candy like this and put it in. Now, I've not done this. This is the first time I've done this. Oh, if I only had 2 hands. Okay, we'll do 3 nice chunks for each. Now, you can do, however, if you want to bring it down like this, but I think I'm going to bring it down. Fold it however you want. Let me see how this would look. There. And see the word love? Then you can take this, and I'll take a smaller heart. And again, you can tape it, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do this. I just saw this. I have some bags too that I bought that you can do. And there's the back. And there's the front. You can write their name, and then you could put a little bow right here. So there you have it. Right here. Valentine Bark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you've made this, have a great day. God bless. and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.